Good evening, everybody. So this next video I am really excited about because I love saving money and trying to get the most bang for my buck. So we are going to be seeing how much we can eat at a night market in Chiang Mai.
For $5.
Is that all?
Maybe $4. Let's see what we can get for $4.
Oh, look at these mangoes. How many different kinds of dishes and foods and all sorts of things that we can get for $4. Is that 100 baht?
No.
No. Oh, I'm thinking
we're going with $4 American on this one. Because everyone else there in the world probably goes off the American dollar. So it's about 140 baht.
Oh, we can get so many things. I'm gonna slay this.
Let's see.
I don't even want to know what this place was like before COVID. And I don't think it's even that crazy.
We could get waffles.
Ooh. Waffles are a little pricey. They're a little pricey. The fish cake.
อร่อยมาก
อร่อยมากค่ะ Wow. Yeah, do you want one?
Sure.
Oh, you can try it.
It's hot. Pretty good.
First thing, fried fish cakes.
This was 30 baht.
So that seems expensive given our budget, but it seems pretty sizable. Like,
They're quite dense. And I got a free sample. So already filling the stomach on nothing. And we get free pickles. Pickled cucumbers. Free sauce.
try it, let's try it. These are actually quite large. This is like... Okay.
Like I said, it reminds me of a hao muk. Like a bit of a curry paste with the fish cake. And it's quite dense, like it's quite meaty. I'd say quite filling.
Good first one. Definitely. I don't know how many things I could eat even if we have more money. But we got 110 baht left, so I think a lot of things still.
Let's see what else. Let's see what else we can get.
Oh my. This market is even bigger than I thought.
It just keeps expanding into things.
It does. Just going down other streets and oh my goodness, yeah. So we got Thai style sticky rice, grilled sticky rice. I think it's like dipped in something. It looks very tasty. And to go with this, we got some fermented sausage. This is huge, by the way. It looks massive.
20 baht.
For 20 baht. And then
It's also decently sized.
also massive.
Oh, she's juicy.
And extremely juicy, dripping sausage. Also for 20 baht, I think this is Segua. So this was another 60 baht, which means we have 50 baht left. So hoping that we could get at least a dessert of some kind, maybe something else.
Yeah, it is drowned in butter.
Wow.
If you're wondering why this is a weird angle, it's because we're sitting on little kiddie stools.
My knees come a good 6 inches above the table itself.
Fermented sausages is very good. I think the saigu is going to be it. So when you're on a budget, you're looking for free things to go along with your food. We have free cabbage and free chilies.
So we got sugarcane juice for 30 baht because you need something to drink with all this stuff.
It's actually a pretty decent size.
Yeah, and we haven't had sugarcane juice.
No,
it's really popular, but so we'll try.
Oh man, that is so sweet. Go really good with like a squeeze of lime or something.
You could get lime with it, but it was another 5 baht, and we need 20 baht to get those ice creams. Don't want to let the free chili go to waste.
Can't let the free chili go to waste.
That's it. That was the reaction to eating a chili.
Give it 2 seconds. I'll be hiccuping. They're quite spicy as far as green chilies go. I'm full. Are you full?
I'm feeling pretty good. I mean, walk a bit more and we'll see.
Not too full for ice cream. We got this 20 baht left.
I think corn pandan.
And lemon. It's the last 20 baht.
Well spent on square ice cream. All right, so pandan.
And lemon or namanao in Thai.
I don't know what pandan is in Thai. I think this was a success.
Yeah,
I don't
full.
know. I
I'm
actually
satisfied.
I don't know what other people do on days when they challenge themselves like this. So
We've just seen them going around, so we thought we'd one up. Just kidding.
so no. So success. $4 street market dinner. No promises that I'm not gonna buy roti later, but this was good.
It's the magic of editing. We can eat more.
Behind the scenes. Thank you guys so much for watching and yeah, coming along and having fun with us.
Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. And we'll see you in the next one.
Bye.